Alright guys, so today for the G35 we're gonna be putting on 350Z Rocket Bunny fenders basically, right?
Yes.
Yeah, wide body this bitch. So right now he has fender flares. So what we're gonna be doing is putting those on the G35. So we're gonna be doing the fronts first, and then most likely tomorrow the backs. So if we got the fender flares off and the tires, we're gonna clean them up. And are we gonna cut them more? Or?
So I get this one. So can we get the bring the sorry. Okay, so if you look on the back, this part comes out a lot. So what I have to do is I have to cut the fender from here all the way down like this, so I can fit this around.
Alright.
And it should fit in there just like that. So you can see, since it's making contact back here, you can't even test fit it, basically.
Alright, so right now he is outlining where he's gonna cut. Alright, so we have to cut this much in order to put that fender on.
Alright boys, safety first.
Shit.
Just saying that.
Dude, that's a big ass fucking hole. Alright.
Look at that.
Oh,
How this shit fits.
Oh, you're gonna see that right through the grills.
yeah. Nah, it's not. The wheel's gonna cover it. That's
Oh, it's gonna
fucking
go down.
clean. It's pretty nice though, bro. Are you gonna chop this part off too? The corner?
Yeah. And then you like that.
Fuck, bro. My bad.
Probably.
Look at that. So this body kit is meant for that car over there. That ricer piece of shit outside. Yeah.
Alright, so here's the plan. So if I put it all the way down here to match with the side skirt, it doesn't really work. So it has to be way up here to match with the headlight bezel and everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop this straight down. I gotta make it as straight as I can though.
Yeah.
Which might be a bitch. But anyways, pretty clean cut. Clean cut.
Yeah, look at that piece though. That shit.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that is straight.
Straight.
Okay.
Alright.
Yo, it's pretty nice.
No, we're gonna have to kind of
Yeah, that's what I was
trim
gonna
this
say.
out like this. To match
That's
the door
nice.
line a little bit better. Overall, man, not bad.
It's gonna be fucking nice, bro. Alright guys, so my dad gave me it for free now. Just kidding, hell, that's a dream. Just gonna see how it looks on the Z. Oh shit! Oh, bro, these are fat ass wheels.
I see why.
Is it not molded correctly?
No, it's because, so like on 350Z fenders, it's supposed to fit like this, but on my G35 fenders, it's like more like this.
Oh, that's
It's making
nothing.
contact right here. So,
Okay, go.
okay, so I gotta cut more of the fender so that you don't see the metal underneath the little gills. So I gotta cut like this and around here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of place this where I want it. Exactly where the gills are.
Just like Sharpie, huh?
Damn, bro. It's like that much gap, bro. It's like this much, bro.
You don't want to come too far up on this one.
Shit. So basically we got it where we want it. So I'm gonna have to trim it out like this. And then, so what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna mark all the edges so that I know where, to place it right before, I put it back and drill all the little holes. So mark one there.
It's a little bit down, bro.
That is.
You see it? Right here. You can see the cut on.
I just drew on my cut. Here. Wait, hold on. That's not right. Like that. So a little bit edge right there. Yeah. Okay, so showed the wrong parts. This was the wrong parts.
Alright, so right now we're just mounting it with tape so we can get a rough idea where to drill the holes at.
Alright, so So basically, what I'm doing right now is I'm grinding this edge down to the mark that I made, because the fender of the G35 is you know, making contact right here. So I need to kind of, you know, bring that back, because I tried pushing it down and it already cracked, just barely. But that'll be fixed with some glazing putty and some Bondo later, but I think we're good. Alright, so we got one side done, but if you come look here, it's like, it's got a bunch of like, you know, gaps and shit. But we can, you know, fix this with a lot of like, I think they have like trim, like weather trim things that we can use. But overall, it's pretty good. We got a couple cracks, but you know, it's not a big deal. Overall, the fitment was really nice. And if you come over here, or we might, probably will, but we'll end up cutting this off like right here, so that, you know, it looks a little bit better. But
I'll get a front shot real quick. Push my back. That looks so nice.
It's looking pretty good. Now it's time to put on the wheel and see the fitment.
Ooh.
Oh yeah,
look at that. Look at that, bro.
Thickness. Know what I'm saying? This bitch is so heavy too.
Bro?
Yeah. If I can't, I try not to pick it up.
Oh, I see. More orders.
That's mine.
More carport. More carports. Let me get behind you real quick. Alright. Oh, hell yeah, bro.
Hell yeah, bro.
Oh, that's Asian?
It's my dog.
Oh, I'm about to say that was Asian. Nigga still sleeping?
Probably. He's fucking sleeping beauty, bro.
Bro, he sleeps so much.
Recording?
Yep. Okay, closer.
Bro.
Yep. Shit. Oh shit. Bro, look at that. Dude. Do that fitment though. Hold up. Sage, can I see? What happened? Well, I gotta get.
Come here, look at this fitment, bro.
Oh, cause the fitment?
Oh.
You're ugly, I'm ready to go home.
Oh, you're a bitch. You're a bitch.
Yo, come here, look at this bitch, dude. Oh.
Damn. Yo, look at this from
This is a rough draft.
from the side, bro. Watch out, nigga. Damn.
Did I just touch your tip?
My tip?
Mm.
What do you mean tip?
Me too.
I don't have one.
Oh, you just admitted it. Oh shit. Bro, this kid's for a 350Z and he put on a G35. Holy shit. Alright, so we got the other side done. On this side, same stuff basically. So I'm not gonna record as much. Check up the car, take off the fender flare, cut the fender a little bit wider, and test fit it, and sand it, and basically this side's done.
The shine.
Shit, the battery's fucking about to die.
It is already shiny.
Excuse me, dad. Excuse me, dad. Oh, so sorry, man. Why the fuck is the battery about to die?
I cannot hear you.
It's so white. It's so white.
Fuck you, nigga. You have no tip. Remember? No tip, squat.
Hey, can I put these on the grass?
No.
Put it where I put that one.
But you did all my pictures.
Alright, so after that's off, I'm just gonna cut it and mount it, and then we'll show you at the end because the camera battery's pretty damn low. Hey. It's a massive ass piece. Look at that shit. Oh hell no. Dude, look at that shit.
I'm gonna go in and clean it. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I'm sanding this down just a little bit, just so that this part sits a little bit more flush with the fender. And I'm gonna have to clean up all these edges with sandpaper.
Alright guys, so we got this side installed. Both the fronts are installed. Oh shit, you can't see that. So
Backs are going on another time.
backs are going on some other time. Part 2 coming up. Camera battery's hella low. Put this wheel on basically, and then take a picture or a little video of how it looks. So yeah, Japanese most.